3, 2, 1! Feliz Navidad! In Colombia, you start celebrating Christmas at midnight on the 24th, going into the 25th. So Feliz Navidad. I hope you open all of your presents at midnight. Enjoy the best night of the year and just have an amazing evening. Look at all the fireworks. Oh, Colombia at Christmas is so special.
Feliz Navidad.
Oh, yeah?
Feliz Navidad.
Do you want to say Feliz Navidad? Feliz Navidad. We're wishing you the happiest of Christmas, the merriest of Christmas, and we hope you just have the best celebration. And until next time,
Hasta pronto.
hasta pronto.